Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this Selectric 2 13-inch that was traded in. It is seized up. It was bought at a Goodwill store, cheap. So a little bit of, I could tell this was a rebuild because it's got the rebuild sticker label in here from IBM. And it was repainted tan, even though it was black to begin with. They would repaint the machines that beige color when they rebuilt them. So this is probably rebuilt in the mid-80s sometime. But it is seized up, even though it's in really pretty clean condition. It's half cycled right now. So the ball's about halfway through the cycle, and I cannot get this shaft to turn no matter what I do to it. I've tried all my tricks to get it, to force it through. I've tried leveraging the pulley. So what I think is happened is one of these gears here is seized up over here. And if it's not this gear, it's quite possibly the shaft that goes through the carrier. But I can't pull the carrier shaft because the carrier is jammed over here on the left. So we're going to start with the gear pack here. And we're going to take off this cover and take off the gear, I think it is, and see if that's what I thought it would be. So there's a few, there's a bushing in this gear pack. There's this gear pack. Gear. I don't think it's this gear pack. I think it's this intermediate idle gear right here. No, it's moving. Now think it's the carrier shaft, and the whole carrier is jammed up. Because that shouldn't. I didn't think that would wiggle, and it does. I'm going to take it off anyhow. So now I actually think it's the carrier itself. I think it will cycle now. Put my hand cycle tool in here and see. Let's see this. No, that still feels tight. There it goes. Getting it going. Got it. Okay. It might be this gear pack here. Because I think the carrier now will move if I turn this. Oh God. It's tight too. Everything's just tight, I think, maybe. I think it's a combination of everything. Yeah, this is. You can see it moving. I mean, I'm really cranking on this. There it goes. Holy smoke. Alright. Okay, so I think it's. That hurts. It hurts. There it goes. Come on, go, buddy, go. Okay. So maybe I can get it to tab over. Okay. So I'm going to pull the carrier shaft. Oh, holy smoke. It took the bearing right with it here. It took the bearing that's not supposed to separate. Holy smoke. I don't think I've ever seen that happen. So that bearing came right out of its brackets right there. That bearing just came out of the bracket. Gotta tell you, I'm not sure I've ever seen that. So it's just seized up. Everything has got to be flushed. even though this was rebuilt, 35 years ago. It's got to be rebuilt again. All right, so that was our... this has a lot more work to do than I can put on video right now. I'm sure all these gear packs have to be flushed out. All the bearings have to be flushed out. I can't believe that did that. But then again, it doesn't shock me. Alright, so that's just our quick little analysis of a seized up Selectric, which now I think will start. Oh, it's got a bad hub too. Of course it does. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.